Finish this rep if you already won. If you've already just finished it, let's take it back there when we get to where we get the pregame block. Taking it back where we were in the pregame block. So going back to where we were in the pregame block. Back to where we were in the pregame block. So just want to add one set of instructions to make sure we're all clear. So when we finish pregame salute portion, dum dee dum dee dum dee dum dum dee dum, you're gonna mark time 8 and then drag turn 4 towards the west, which is the home sideline, which is also the left shoulder. So 2 different ways to kind of duplicate that. So you have the da dee da 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 dee da 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 dee da dee da dee da bum bum da dee da on the time bum 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 dee da bum da 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 bum dee da bum bum da dee da da dee da da place. So at that portion we place, and then you're gonna hold throughout the rest of it. Okay? So and nice job, yeah! Can you give it up for the Tiger Band section leaders and staff to help you out with that as well? Cool, all right, take it back 5 yards. Let's get our color guard, our Golden Girls and Tigerettes on the field as well. Good afternoon, thank you all so much for being through here. Yeah, give it up for yourselves, it's gonna be awesome. Curious, by a show of hands, raise your hand if you did not do pregame back in your era when you were here. Like you didn't do, this is new for you. Yeah, see, look around, how cool is that? Awesome. We're gonna run through pregame all together, and then we're gonna practice how we're gonna come on the field for pregame, and then we're gonna go through the sequence a couple of times. So here we go from the beginning. Here is pregame. Everybody in place.